Hi, and welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a FortiGate device, a firewall, and any other firewall to Fortisiem so that you can use that to monitor the logs and collect logs from the device, security logs, performance, incidents, and all other analytics that needs to be done. And also in terms of remediation, Fortisiem can be able to, perform some task automatically on the FortiGate device after adding it. So the first thing to do is to go to your FortiGate device, then navigate to system and SNMP. Under SNMP, ensure that this SNMP agent is turned on. So we are going to add the SNMP version 2. We're going to this. So let's create a new device community. I'll give it any community string. Then, so remember this, let's copy it. Then the IP address of the Fortisiem would be added here, the FortiGate device. So we give it this. Then we can come down here, can enable every other thing, features that needed to be enabled. Then click OK. So once this is added, we have this added to so let's copy this. Then the next thing is to go to the management interface of the FortiGate device, navigate to the management interface. So our management interface here is this, and is on the FortiGate management interface is on the same subnet, on the same network with the management IP address of the Fortisiem. So they are reachable. So let's double click this, and under this place, we want to enable SSH and also ensure SNMP is enabled. SSH will be used in order for remediation sake, where we want to perform a level of automation and incident response. SNMP receives all the logs and every other thing. So let's leave it the way it is like this. So let's go straight to Fortisiem. Under admin, we need to define the credentials for our device. So let's create a new credential. So let's call it HT SNMP. Then device type, we need to select FortiOS. Select FortiOS. Then access protocol, we are going to use SSH. Then the username of the device and the password of the FortiGate device. Then we'll click OK. Okay, let's confirm the password. Click OK. Close. So this is SSH. Let's rename it to SSH. So another thing we need to do is to create an SNMP credential template. So leave it as generic, and let's select SNMP. Then community string. Let's copy the community string that we have here. So let's copy this and click OK. So I'll go back to SNMP. Let's paste it and click save. Now we have the credential template for SSH and credential template for SNMP. The next thing is to enter the range of IP address for which we want to discover our solution. So because we already know the IP address of this, which is on this interface, so on this management interface, the IP address is 10.15.13.1. Let's copy it and let's edit. Let's click new and edit. Then we can add this credential, add, then add one more. So we have SNMP and we have SSH. So click OK. So once this is done, we want to test. Let's test without pinging. Let's see if Fortisiem can discover the FortiGate. You see, we have it successful. Click OK. So the next thing is to go to discovery, then new, give it FGT discovery. Then so we want to run a range scan, then also include the IP address. So and let's save. So once this is done, let's try and discover. So click on this and discover. So now we can see this has been discovered, and we close it. Now we have the FortiGate discovered. So when we come to CMDB under firewall, you can see that automatically we have the FortiGate firewall, categorized under firewall category. So click on network device, you will see firewall. So under this place, you can see the host name of the device, the IP address, and its still pending status. So the method at which this was discovered is SSH, SNMP, and SCMP. So what we want to do is to change this status to normal. So click on this and click on action and go to change status and click on approved. Click OK. So now it has been approved. So what else we have? Most of the information here, you can see the IP address, the information, the operating system, version, and every other thing needed, components, processor, interfaces, 53, including the VLANs that was created on it. Then we can see members of the group. This typically gives us all the properties of the device, onboarded, SNMP trap. So we have 53 processor, storage, and other components. Under here, we have the current configuration of the FortiGate device. So one of the things Fortisiem does is to give us, visibility into the modification that has been done into, in terms of configurations and all that. So if there's any change to this configuration, you can see the difference of what has been done, of what was done, and what was previously there. You can see the revisions number, the differences, and all that. So relationship, then file. So basically, if you look at this, we can also see that we have information about the processor, memory utilization span up to like 73%. Performance health is normal. Then we can also see the hardware, you know, resources utilization. So we can actually have information about how the device is running. So when it comes to incidents, under incidents, there is no incidents yet for this device. So basically, we've been able to add a FortiGate device to the Fortisiem, and we're able to have enough information about the device and how it's running. Then, and later on, we can now get security events and incidences as time goes by. So thank you for watching.